Saw the ruckus in the parliament today.
Yeah.
The MPs came to the well of the house. Adjournment, the no confidence motion was not taken up. How do you see what happened in the parliament today?
It is a performance for me. If someone who is really willing to do it, they'll do it differently. See, you have to understand parallelly the impossibility of Telangana it's very, very difficult to achieve Telangana statehood with such mighty forces who were opposing it, both from center and the state. But they could achieve it with a great will, with a very strong will. But if you look at the Andhra leadership, they don't have the strong will. They're just maneuvering it for they're taking they're leveraging strength out of it for their own political mileage. But truly, they're not doing the way it has to be done. That's what I feel. It is going to be just mere show, nothing else. In one line I can say, TDP is doing very convenient politics, very convenient. That's what irks people, and
but
that's
do you think TDP was pushed to do this also because the YSRCP had itself spoken about a no confidence motion?
No, it all started because the problem is, I disagree with Honorable Finance Minister Arun Jaitley's statement. The reason he said special category status will not be given because of sentiment. It is not about sentiment. It is the basic right. It's a right it's a promise which was given to us. It's not something we've been denied. When Andhra Pradesh has been bifurcated, the unified Andhra Pradesh, there's no capital as such because we lost all the infrastructure which been combined, developed together in the combined state. A lot of investment came from that side, a lot of human resources and efforts. And suddenly one political decision and the bill passed in the parliament, people are denied capital. And suddenly there is all the infrastructure, the jobs, educational institutions, all the administrative buildings and everything been denied for them. So suddenly there been a lot of shortage of funds, and suddenly Telangana became the surplus state, Andhra became with a revenue deficit state with all the minus points. And the major problem over Andhra Pradesh is Andhra Pradesh has got 7 backward districts, and it is almost like if you go to Rayalaseema, especially Anantapur, it's the largest district of India. It has got a sub-Saharan atmosphere like Bundelkhand. So then if you go to Uttarandhra, that means North Coastal Andhra, they're very backward districts. And there's a lot of migration, there's a lot of infant mortality is there. And these are the problems which there is no right employment opportunity. So once we lose it, the people thought the damage happened was the lack of opportunity, everything. I said by special category status will compensate so many things, whatever they had lost. And
but the government is saying that if the status is not given, that's fine. The money is still being given.
No. Maybe they must have released few thousands of crores, like 4,000 to 5,000 of crores or few thousands of crores. Maybe they had promised a lot. They announced a lot. But it hasn't been reached to the state. Even because BJP conveniently ignored, and TDP, they take a stand which suits them, which is convenient for them that point of time. When people were, if they'll try their level best to influence people, there's no need of special care. When it does not work with people, suddenly they'll say, no. For a long time we've been saying there is no need for, we've been asking for special category, we're not going to compromise on special category status. Because today they've been pushed to do it. What I did was, the reason why I initiated no confidence motion in Joint Fact Finding Committee was they created a lot of conflicting and contradictory statements. One time they say, okay, we don't want special category status, this is enough. But the financial assistance what central government has done, which they're saying that given all the money, it is like as you know, that is a devolution method, whatever the state normally to be given, like any other regular state, that's what they're doing. Only they have changed the name. This is what told by one of the some few financial experts from Delhi. We actually did a thorough research on it. Says there is nothing extra which has been given to you. It is only an eyewash, and it is a change of name. That's it, nothing else. And only they must have given very few thousands of crores, which is no way it is going to compensate with the benefits normally which would be associated with special categories, which they hadn't given. And somehow TDP, whatever their understanding in between, they wanted to agree, something happened between BJP and TDP, which is, those facts are unknown to people and not being revealed to people. And somehow they disagreed and they walked out today.